Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. So, the first thing that I would actually recommend is to charge your headphones up to 100%. Once you do that, you will be able to check if they are working. Because when the battery is charged, you won't get any connectivity bugs, etc. So charge your headphones and then check if you can pair them with your phone. If you still can't pair them with your phone, you need to restart your phone. Of course, meantime you can try to connect to a different phone or different source. Your headphones, you can connect them to a different source, different phone, and check if they work there. Meantime, of course, restarting your phone. If it doesn't work on other device, it won't work on your phone. So, your headphones are at fault. However, if it works flawlessly on some different device, but on your private phone it doesn't, your phone is at fault and you need to fix your phone. But let's fix only on your headphones, so let's fix the issue where your headphones are at fault. You need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to, when your headphones are turned off, hold this button right here for 20 seconds or even more. You should hear a tone confirming this factory reset. And actually, that's all we can do, because if it doesn't work still, you need to contact device support because your Sennheiser headphones may be just broken. So, that's it. Goodbye.